Hi friends, I'm going to teach you how to prevent uninstallation of apps. So let's try with this one. It's called a free charge recharge app. So I'm going to uninstall it using system installer, which is inbuilt in your mobile or your smartphone. So let's try with this one. It's called uninstall. So you want to block this from getting uninstalled. So what you have to do is you have to check how the apps can be uninstalled. So first we'll press the menu button, long press. What happens is we'll come up with this wallpaper widget settings. Go to settings, you have to press lock home screen layout. So when you press this, if you try to delete this app, you can't. It comes home screen layout is locked. So in this way you have prevented your app from getting uninstalled. But what your friend might do is he might go to settings. So what your friend might do is he might go to the menu button again, might do the long press button, he can press settings button, and he can off this lock home screen layout, and he can delete your apps. So to prevent it from getting uninstalled, what you have to do is you have to put password for your settings, and you have to remove the long press button function. So what you do is you press the search button, you go to settings, press button. So when you press button, what happens is there's an option called button and gesture shortcuts. So when you press this, you come up with all these things. So wherever show menu is there, you have to press this one, and here you have to press none. So when you press none, what happens? This long press buttons function is stopped. So you go back and you press this one, the middle button. So now you're checking long press button. So menu is not opening. Only the recent apps are opening. So what you can do is again. So what you can do is again. You can again what you do is you have to go to settings. Go to settings. Then what you have to do is you have to press home screen and recents. Home screen and recents. So there's an option called lock home screen mode. You press this and you press the middle button. Now see, no one can delete your apps. But what your other friend might do is he might go to settings and he might change that. So to prevent that, you have to go to settings again. You have to press app lock. What do you press? App lock. So when you press app lock, this is fingerprint scanner. So after going through this, you have to press settings. So settings is protected using my fingerprint now. So my friend cannot delete my apps without my permission or without my fingerprint. So what now if I try to delete this phone app, I can't delete it. So what he has to do is he has to go to the settings. Then using my fingerprint, I can go to home screen and recents. So when I go to home screen and recent, I can press this whenever I want to delete my app. So I can delete my app again after deleting my app. Like for example, I delete this. After this, I can go to again home, using my fingerprint now. Again, I can go to home screen and recents. Now I can press lock home screen out. So what happens is again your desktop apps are prevented from uninstallation. So your friend cannot uninstall your apps. He can't go to settings because it is protected using fingerprint or pad. And long press button which has enabled settings has been blocked. That's what I have showed you earlier. So like go to the button option, button, and go to the button option, this button and gesture, show menu, you make it none. So when you make it none, your friend can't uninstall your app by pressing the long press button. So your app is prevented from uninstallation without using any external app. this is my Redmi Note 4 mobile. So this is how I prevented my friend from uninstalling my apps. So thank you friends. If you like my video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.